Good morning, friends. In the last lectures, we started problems related with the properties of the pure substance. So that's why I am continuing problems. So please note down today's first problems. Calculate the volume, density, enthalpy, volume, density, enthalpy, and entropy of 2 kg of steep at 80 degrees centigrade and the dryness fractions fraction 0.85. This is given. And this is given, sorry for due to some of the camera issues. That's why from steam tables I am extracting at 80 degrees centigrades and this is temperatures, next pressure, volumes, specific volume, but I am extracting only Vg, and enthalpy, that is HF, HFG, Hg, and SF, entropy, and Sg. I will only extract. This is 80 degrees centigrade. So what is pressures at 80 degrees centigrade? This is 0.4736 pressures. Volumes, this is meter cube per kg, 3.409 HF 334.9, HFG 2308.8, this is 2643.7, this is 1.075. Now SFG also taken SFG, this is 6.538 and SG equal to 7.613. This is extractions of the data from steam tables, and that is at 80 degrees centigrade. So M equal to 2 kg mass, and this is 80 degrees centigrade. First bit is to calculate volumes. So this is not mentions here specific volumes. So this is volumes. Volume equal to capital V, and this is equal to M into small v, and this is 2 specific volumes, and dryness fractions is given. So that's why here this is X into V, and this is equal to X into V. This is 2. Dryness fractions equal to 0.85, and this is Vg. This is Vg. This is 3.409, and this is because we yes multiplied by 2 kg, so that's why you will get units, and this is only meter cube. 3.409 multiplied by 0.85 multiplied by 2, this is 5.7953 meter cube. So this is first bit. Second bit, density. So density equal to, as you know, formula, this is mass divided by volume, and this is mass equal to 2, and this density volumes we calculated, this is 7953, that's why 1 divided by answers multiplied by 2, this is equal to 0.3451, and this is density, unit kg per meter cube. And then third bit, what is enthalpy? So enthalpy equal to, and this is not asked this specific enthalpy, here mentions enthalpy, so that's why capital H equal to M into H, and H equal to, because here dryness fractions is given, so that's why here we can write HF plus S X into Hg, and this is the enthalpy above the fluids, or this is the enthalpy above the saturated liquids plus enthalpy above the gas. Sorry, this is not Hg, this is HFG, because this is dryness fractions. That's why this is 2. HF equal to 334.9 plus 0.85 multiplied by 2308.8, this is equal to 2308.8 multiplied by 0.85 plus 334.9 multiplied by 2, and this is equal to 4594.76, and because this is total enthalpy, so that's why its unit is very important. If you are writing unit is the wrong, you will get your 1 marks may be deducted for each beats. And this is fifth, dryness fractions. Dryness fraction. So dryness fractions, dryness fraction is already given. So this is not fourth beat because this dryness fraction is 0.85. Enthalpy and entropy ask. So this is total entropy, capital S, equal to against MS. So this is and this entropy equal to SF plus X into SFG. And this is to entropy of fluids 1.075 plus 0.85 multiplied by 6.538. 6.538, 0.85 plus 0.075 multiplied by 2. This is 13.26, and this is entropy, total entropy. So that's why this is, you will get kilojoule per Kelvin. This is not per kg because we already considered this is m equal to, this is in kg. So that kg will get cancelled, and entropy equal to kilojoule per Kelvin. And this is today's first problems. I will try to solve 4-5 problems or 5-6 problems in the today's class. So these are the simple problems may be asked during the examinations. So that's why carefully try to solve and carefully observe how to solve the problems. These are the very simple problems. Only basic things, basic formulas that is to be remembered. And that are simple problem formulas. So next, 2 kg of steam. Today's second problem, 2 kg of steam. Again, for this problems, 2 kg is given, is at 10 bar. This is given 10 bar. This is the pressures, and in the previous problems, temperature given. In this problems, pressure is given 0.8 dry. Determine its enthalpy entropy and volumes. Use steam table. So without steam table you can't solve. We require steam table. So I will use this table, but this numerical data, this will change. So instead of the now temperatures, this becomes pressure, and this is temperature. So pressure is equal to 10 bar. Such type of steam tables that you can use in these steam tables. So for this 10 bars, temperature is 179.88, 179.88 degree centigrade, and water means this is Vg 0.1943, HF 762.6, 2013.6, 277, 6.2, 2.138, and this is 4.45, 6.583. Now according to the determines, we can calculate step by step, because for this problems dryness fractions is given 0.85, and this is also simple problems. First bit is the enthalpy. First bit is enthalpy. So this is not asked specific enthalpy. So this is enthalpy equal to H, and this is M into H. So that's why M into, now this enthalpy dryness fractions given means HF plus X into HFG. This is try to understand, because this dryness fractions is given, and this is means up to this 10 bars. Suppose this is 10 bar, this is HF, and this is remaining HFG. But yes, dryness fractions is given means suppose this is 80%, means this is 8%. 0.8 is the dryness fractions. So according to that, means this much is the enthalpy is to be extracted. This is the chart. But we have informations, means we have this is the steam tables. By using steam tables, without charts we are solving these problems. And this is M equal to 2 kg, HF equal to, and this is given. So this amount of the enthalpy 762.6 plus 0.8 dryness fraction, because 80% this is in the steam forms, means in the vapor forms, and remaining 20% this is in the moisture forms. 20% in the gaseous forms and 20% in the moisture forms, means in the liquid forms. You can say liquid forms, because this is the wet steams, this is not completely dry steams. So HFG equal to, this is 2013.6, 2013.6 multiplied by 0.8 plus 762.6 into 2. This is equal to 4746.96, and this is kilojoule. This is kilojoule. First bit is over. Second bit, entropy. And this is also total entropy. So that's why capital S, and this is equal to M into S. Again same formula, similar to, you can, and this is pressures versus enthalpy. Now temperatures versus entropy. So this is the SF, and remaining is the SFG. So M SF X SFG, because this is the 80%. So this entropy is to be calculated this much. SF equal to 2.138, dryness fractions 0.8, SFG this is 4.45. This is equal to 11.38 units entropy kilojoule per kelvins, because this is total entropy. So what is third bit? Against volumes. So this is capital V m into small v, and this is x into Vg. X 0.8, Vj equal to, this is 0.1943, 0.81943 multiplied by 2. This is equal to 0.31088 meter cube, because this is total volumes. So that's why this is not meter cube per kg, because this is volumes, this is not specific volumes. So that's why unit is also important, meter cube. Note down next problems. Using steam table, calculate specific enthalpy and specific entropy. Now in this case, what is asked? Specific enthalpy. This is specific enthalpy, means small h. Specific enthalpy, specific entropy of steam at following conditions. At following conditions. So in these problems, different conditions is given. So this is only one conditions, means at 10 bars. So for these problems, different conditions is given. Previous all problems are simple now. We are solving medium type of the complicated problems. Compressed water, first bit, compressed water at 1 bar and 15 degrees centigrade. 50 degree centigrade. Second, dry saturated. So such type of the problems helpful to extract various enthalpies and entropies. How we can extract enthalpies and entropies? By using the tables. Steam table. Steam at 10 bar. Third bit, wet steam at 9 bar with dryness fractions. fraction x equal to 0.9 and fourth bit superheated steam at 20 bar and 275 degree centigrade temperature. Use interpolation technique. So this is today's third problems. Now I split our boards in two parts because for first parts compressed water at 1 bar and 50 degree centigrade. So in this case, this is according to the 50 degree centigrade. We can extract from table. First, what is to be calculate? Specific enthalpy of waters. Means this is HF equal to 209.3 unit kilojoule per kg and entropy SF equal to this is 0.704 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Second bit, at 9 bar with dryness fractions, wet steams at 9 bars. Wet steam at 9 bar with x equal to 0. This is clear. So what is to be calculated? Specific enthalpy. So specific enthalpy equal to H equal to, now wet steams, yes, we can use HF plus X into HFG, and this is corresponding to 9 bars. So for 9 bar, at 9 bars, this is precious givens. For precious 9 bar, this enthalpy givens HF equal to 742.6 742.6 and this Dyna's fractions is 0.9. HFG at 9 bars, this is given 2029.5. 2029.5. That's why 029.5 multiplied by 0.9 plus 2569.15 kilojoule per kg. Similarly, specific entropy equal to SF plus X into SFG. That's why SF, and this is likewise SF equal to at 9 bars, SF equal to at 9 bars, this is 2.094. 2.094 plus 0.9. SFG, this is 4.525. 4.525. This is equal to 4.525 multiplied by 0.9, 2.094. This is equal to, this is 4.525 multiplied by 0.9 plus 2.094, 6 point something, 6.1665, and this is kilojoule per kg because this is specific entropy. Third bit, for weight steam, this is actually third bit, dry saturated steams. The second bit, dry saturated steam at 10 bars. Means directly we can extract HF equal to and SF equal to. Directly at 10 bars you can extract. At 10 bars, this is at 10 bars 762.6 kilojoule per kg. SF equal to, against 10 bars, this is 2.138 units. Try to understand this kilojoule per kg kelvins. 2.138 units given in the steam tables. So try to write this unit because unit is also important. And fourth bit, superheated steam at 20 bar and 275 degrees centigrade temperature. At temperatures 275. So because I am not having steam tables, so actually this is given at 20 bars pressures at 20 bar and 275. So for pressures, first I will extract pressures 20 bar and temperature. So this is temperature given for 20 bars. This is in between 250 and 300. So that's why I will take this is 250 and this is 300. So first at 20 bars I will consider this is enthalpy and entropy. So this is H at 250 and this is right. So at 20 bars, so first at 250, this is 2902.4 and at 300 this is 3025 for 300s and entropy this is 6.545 and this is at 300 6.770. This is clear. Now by using interpolations methods we can calculate because this is at 275. So that's why H equal to this is at fluids means you can consider this is HF so what is this? Yes, you can calculate H at 275 degrees centigrade equal to. So that's why here's this is temperatures at 250. This is 2902.4 plus. Now this difference 3025 minus 2902.4 divided by this difference is the 300 minus minus 250 multiplied by this because we have to calculate this is 275. So I think this is minus 275 minus because this is 250 we consider so H at 275 degrees centigrade. So this is the using interpolations methods. This is 2907.4 multiplied by this terms and this is 25. So that I will calculate 3025 minus 2902.4 divided by, in brackets, sorry, no necessary to divided by, we can directly consider 52.452 multiplied by 25 plus 2907.4. This is equal to 2968.7, and this is what is specific enthalpy. So that's why this is kilojoule per kg. Similarly, entropy at 275, this is equal to, we have to use this value, and this is 6.545 plus this is 6.770 minus 6.545 divided by 300 minus 200 multiplied by 275 minus 250, and this is 6.545 plus multiplied by 25. So that's why 6.770 minus 6.545, this is 0.225 divided by 50 multiplied by 25 plus 6545. This is equal to 6.666575 unit kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Alright, now you understand how to solve the problems. So I think this is third problems. Please note down fourth problems. So after that we can stop because limitations above the times, and after that we can again continue in the next class some of the important problems. So please note down today's four problems. A rigid vessel of volume 0.86 meter cube contains 1 kg of steam at a pressures of 2 bar. Evaluate the specific volume temperature dryness fractions internal energy. Internal energy equal to, you can take formula U plus PV. I think H equal to, that will see enthalpy and entropy attempt it by fundamental. So these formulas, so we already studied fundamental formulas. So in the last lectures we studied fundamental formulas. So by using that formulas you can be similar to, but in these problems number of bits increased. How many bits? This is one, specific volume, second, temperatures, and this is you can extract specific volumes, temperatures by using dryness fractions. It is 1 kg of steam at 2 bars at a pressure of 2 bars, and this is 0.86. Means at 2 bar first we will extract various values by using steam table at 2 bars, because this is given. So we can extract various values at 2 bar. So no necessary. So this space we can use for remaining. And this is pressure, temperatures, and this is Vg, HF, HFG, HG, SF, SFG, and this is SG. At 2 bar pressures, temperatures corresponding, this is 120.23, and specific volumes 0.885, 50.7, 504.7, and this is 1.6, 2706.3, 1.530, 5.597, 7.127. This is given. First bit is the specific volume. So specific volumes, specific volume equal to, so as we know relations, capital V equal to m into small v, and what is our specific volumes? So V, this is given 0.86, and corresponding to pressures, this is given Vg equal to this is corresponding mass equal to 1 kg. This is 1 kg V equal to
contains 1 kg of steams.